Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Practice Lash Strips is probably one of the most essential tools for aspiring lash artists, offering a realistic and safe environment to hone your skills before working on actual clients, allowing you to perfect your technique, speed, and precision without the pressure of real-time application, ultimately building the confidence needed to excel in the competitive world of eyelash extensions. Number 5. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Shampoo. Introducing our premium eyelash extension shampoo, designed for a gentle yet effective cleanse. It removes makeup and impurities without damaging your lashes. Perfect for both professional lash artists and at-home users, this cleanser ensures your extensions stay pristine. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Experience the power of Korean beauty with this effective makeup remover. It effortlessly dissolves even stubborn makeup, leaving your eye area clean. Our foaming cleanser is specially formulated for extensions and natural lashes. It provides a deep clean while maintaining lash integrity. This shampoo not only cleans but also helps nourish your lashes. Keep them healthy, strong, and beautifully extended with regular use. For your convenience, a specialized brush is included. It ensures precise application and thorough cleansing of every lash. What we like? This product is designed to keep your extensions pristine and remove makeup effectively. If you're looking for a gentle yet thorough cleanser for both professional salon use and at-home maintenance, this is an excellent choice. It ensures your lashes stay clean and healthy between appointments. What people say. The lash strips are designed for extensions, offering a practical solution for practicing application techniques. These Practice Lash Strips provide a realistic feel, allowing users to hone their skills before working on clients. The strips are easy to handle and apply, making them ideal for beginners learning lash extension application. Number 4. STACY Lash Extra Strong Evolution Eyelash Extension Glue. Introducing the STACY Lash Extra Strong Evolution Glue, an upgraded formula designed for professional lash artists. Experience next-generation performance with this advanced adhesive. Achieve efficiency in your procedures with its incredibly fast 1 to 2 second drying time. This allows for quicker application, making your work more streamlined. Enjoy exceptional results with retention lasting up to 8 weeks. It's perfect for both classic and volume techniques, providing reliable hold. This improved formula features reduced fumes for a more comfortable application experience. It's designed to be easy to work with, giving professionals peace of mind. It comes with a special sticker to track the opening date, ensuring optimal freshness and performance. Proper storage is key for the best results. Please note, this product is intended for salon application only by skilled lash technicians. It is not suitable for self-application or cluster strip lashes. What we like? Experience lightning-fast application with an incredible 1 to 2 second dry time and retention lasting up to 8 weeks. If you are a seasoned lash artist who values speed and longevity in your work, this glue will significantly cut down your service time while ensuring client satisfaction. It's perfect for those who demand the highest performance. What people say. These lash strips are designed for extensions, making them a great tool for practicing application techniques. The strips are easy to work with and provide a realistic surface for honing your lash extension skills. They are a good value for practicing, allowing you to perfect your application without using real client lashes. Number 3. STACY Lash Sensitive Eyelash Extension Glue. Introducing our Sensitive Eyelash Extension Glue, designed for professional lash artists. Experience incredibly low fumes and a gentle, latex-free formula that minimizes irritation. With a convenient 5 to 6 second drying time, this adhesive offers comfort and ease of use. It's an excellent choice for those new to eyelash extensions. Enjoy stunning results that last. This formula provides a reliable bond, keeping extensions in place for up to 4 to 5 weeks. Our glue is sold in a sealed package to preserve maximum freshness and ensure the best possible bond for a long-lasting finish. This black adhesive is specifically formulated for sensitive eyes, helping your clients enjoy beautiful eyelash extensions without allergies. Please remember, this product is intended for trained lash artists only. It is for semi-permanent false eyelashes and should never be used for self-application. What we like? This option offers a more forgiving 5 to 6 second dry time, ideal for those who need a bit more control during application. If you are a beginner lash technician or prefer a slower pace to ensure precision, this glue provides reliable retention of 4 to 5 weeks without compromising on comfort due to its low fume formula. It's great for sensitive clients too. What people say. The lash strips are designed for extensions, making them ideal for professional use. These Practice Lash Strips offer a realistic feel and appearance, aiding in skill development for lash technicians. The strips are easy to work with, allowing for precise application of lash extensions during training. Number 2. STACY Lash Lightning Speed Eyelash Extension Glue. Introducing our revolutionary eyelash extension glue. Achieve stunning results in an incredible 0.3 seconds. Experience retention that lasts. Enjoy beautiful lashes for an impressive 6 to 8 weeks. This extra strong black adhesive provides a secure and seamless bond. It's designed for ultimate durability and a natural look. As essential lash tech supplies, it ensures professional-grade results every time. Elevate your services with this premium formula. This 5 ml 0.17 fl Oz bottle is perfectly sized for your toolkit. It offers convenience without compromising on quality. What we like. Achieve unparalleled speed with a mind-blowing 0.3 second dry time and exceptional 6 to 8 week retention. This is the ultimate glue for advanced lash artists who want to push the boundaries of speed and durability. If you specialize in high-volume sets or simply want the fastest, strongest bond available, this product is your top pick. What people say. These lash strips are designed for extensions, making them ideal for practicing application techniques. The strips are easy to work with and help improve your lash extension skills. They provide a realistic surface for practicing placement and fanning techniques. Number 1. 17 PCS Professional Eyelash Extension Kit. Unlock your potential with this comprehensive 17-piece professional eyelash extension kit. It's designed for aspiring lash artists to practice and perfect their techniques. This set includes everything you need for effective training. From a realistic mannequin head to essential tools like tweezers and glue, you're fully equipped. We've curated high-quality components to ensure a realistic training experience. Practice grafting with confidence using these reliable tools. Everything comes neatly organized in a makeup bag, making it easy to take your practice sessions anywhere. Learn and grow on your schedule. Ideal for anyone starting their journey in eyelash extensions. This kit provides a solid foundation for building your skills and confidence. Elevate your artistry with this complete set. It's the perfect investment for dedicated practice and achieving professional results. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to practice and perfect your lashing skills. If you are an aspiring lash artist or looking for a way to hone your technique without using real clients, this set with a mannequin head and all essential tools is perfect for you. It's an ideal starting point for learning. What people say. These lash strips are designed for extensions, providing a good base for application. The strips are easy to work with and hold the extension securely. The material is flexible and conforms well to the natural lash line. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.